we have discussed about bilinear transformation, and why to study bilinear transformation, and also we have discussed about how to go for design of an bilinear transformation. Steps also we have discussed. And I think one example we have completed on that part. So let us continue with that second example. Have you solved that second example? How many of you have solved it? Just give your response with your roll numbers if anybody has solved that. How many of you have solved that example? Yes? Anyone? That is h of s equals to, it is given as s square plus 4.525 divided by s square plus 0.62, sorry, 692 yes plus 0.504. Okay. Yes, anybody has solved this? Anybody? Any one of you have solved this? अगर नहीं किया तो नहीं किया बोलो यार. I don't know what, why you people are not giving the response. I don't know. If you have done it, tell me like yes sir, we have done it. Otherwise, no sir. The simple way is there. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am asking something to you all, but no one is responding on that part. Is anyone has done the yesterday's example?
No, sir.
That's it. So sitting idle is not the meaning, na? Okay. Have you understood the first example? Any difficulty in that part? Or shall I take it repeat once?
No, sir. Understood that one.
Okay. Then what is the difficulty you have faced to solve this?
Sir, T is not given.
Okay. T is not given. If it is not given, so for such cases, we have to assume it as t equals to 1 second. You just write down the solution. You just write in bilinear transformation. Just write a solution in bilinear transformation. In bilinear transformation, we are writing it as, how we are writing the expression? H of z is equals to, what we are writing? H of s at s is replaced by the value. What is the formula we are having for this? S को कैसा replace कर रहे हैं? We are replacing it by 2 by t into 1 minus z inverse, 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse. So with this formula we are solving this. Here, as t is not given, for specifically such cases, we can assume t equals to 1 second. Assume t equals to 1 second. Then the above expression becomes, what I can write? H of z equals to, simply just replace s by this function. So it is going to be like this way. Yes, I am writing it as t equals to 1, it is RL simply. So this we can write it is 2 into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse. Right, that is 2 into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse. This whole square is there, plus we have it is 4.525 divided by we have it is again s square. What is s square again? It is like 2 into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse. This square we are writing, plus next is what? 0.692 multiplied with s is there. So again s I am writing it is 2 into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse. Close this bracket. Then plus 0.504. So this is what the denominator side. Hope you understood this.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty here?
No, sir.
Can you simplify this now and tell me the answer? Yes? You please simplify and tell me the final answer. Let's see how many of you will do it proper simplification just. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके आंसर बताओ मुझे. Hope you are all doing the simplification. Let me ask to
Yes,
someone.
sir.
Let me ask to someone. Supriya Pawar. Are you there, madam?
Yes, sir.
कळाला का madam question? Have you understood the example?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Simplification करता है ना त्याचं?
हो, yes, sir.
केतकी देशपांडे, 32.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood the example?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you doing the simplification?
Yes, sir.
If anybody is having any problem, please convey it to me such that we can rethink on that part and we will try to simplify it again. (34) Nasreen Sheikh.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ मैडम, हैव अंडरस्टूड द एग्जांपल?
यस सर।
सिंप्लीफिकेशन कर रहे क्या उसका?
हाँ सर।
ओके, 45 रोहित, रोहित इज देयर? 45 रोहित हजारे, फोर्टी सिक्स ओमकार, 46।
हेलो सर।
कळालं का एग्जाम्पल? ओमकार, हैव अंडरस्टूड द एग्जाम्पल? रेंजचा प्रॉब्लेम, कनेक्टिव्हिटीचा प्रॉब्लेम फक्त लेक्चर असताना देतात, बाकी वेळेला मस्त भरपूर फुल चालू असतात. $49 Kaushik is there?
यस सर.
Okay, have you understood the example?
सर.
सिम्प्लिफिकेशन चालू आहे का करायचं?
हाँ सर.
सांगा मला, आन्सर सांगा आल्यावर.
हाँ सर, सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करतोय.
हो, झाल्यावर सांगा मला.
हाँ सर, सांगतो.
Yes, anybody has got the answer? संतोष खिलारे, संतोष खिलारे इज देयर? तुमचा
Yes,
रोल
sir.
नंबर काय?
62.
मग everyone is following the pattern that A_62 with name. You are not following that. While logging in, just follow that pattern. ठीक है?
Yes.
ओके, कळालं का एग्जाम्पल? संतोष,
Sir.
एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करतोय ना? हॅलो,
नाही सर.
करत नाही?
बाहेर आलोय सर त्यामुळे.
बाहेर तुम्ही मार्केट मधून लेक्चर अटेंड करताय?
नाही, ते घरचं काम होतं जरा सर.
मग लेक्चर मध्ये घरचं काम करायचं का? मग इथं लॉग
नाही, जरा अर्जंट काम होतं.
काय अर्जंट काम आहे तेवढं? मग लॉग इनच कशाला करायचं? सो आय एम पुटिंग यू ॲज ऑब्सेंट टुडे. डू युअर होमवर्क ओनली. राईट, घरचंच काम करत फिरा तुम्ही. Yes, anybody has got the answer? Roll number 10 is there? Roll number 10.
Present, sir.
Roll number 10.
Present, sir.
Okay. Okay. अजून कोण आहेत का असंच उगा लॉग इन करून सगळे बाकीचे काम करत फिरणारे? सो आय शुड सल्यूट टू सच पीपल. $54 is there? Prasanna? 54. If you are not responding to my call, you will be marked as absent. $54. Yes, anybody has got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you tell me what is the answer?
8.525 z square plus 1.05 z plus
Okay.
8.525 upon 5.888
Just a
z
minute,
square.
just a minute. Let me write it down so
Okay.
that others will also note that part. Okay, so this is equals to, what is the answer you got?
8.525
8.525 z
z
square.
square
Okay, plus
plus 1.05
1.05 z
z plus 8.525.
8.525 आ रहा है या 0.525 आ रहा है? Anybody has got 0.525?
No, sir. 8.525.
Okay, it is 8.525 divided by
5.888 z square
5.888 z square.
minus
हाँ
6.992Z
6.99 or I can write it as 7. ठीक है 7z
okay sir
minus
plus 3.12
plus 3.12 आ रहा है.
हाँ sir
Can anyone rectify it? What is the answer? 3.12. 3.12. Is everyone is getting this answer? कितने लोगों को मिल रहा है ये आंसर? Just tell me with your roll numbers. How many of you have got this answer?
sir plus आया है
Plus 3.12 क्या?
हाँ sir
But I think something is missing here. I don't know whether it is my answer is wrong or your answer is wrong. I don't know. You please check this answer. ये आंसर थोड़ा चेक कर लो. Others, anybody has got this answer?
Yes, sir.
क्या रोल नंबर आपका? रोल नंबर ये 9.
Sir, last
हाँ
सर कॉन्स्टंट वेगळं आले बाकी
काय
सेम आहे
काय आलंय?
0.12 आले
No, no. This
ते 3.12 चे तिथे
हाँ तुमचं काय आलंय? 0.12.
12
Okay.
sir 4.504 आलाय.
4.504. Okay. 4.504. ओके एक्चुअली मेरे पास जो आंसर है लाइक 4.88 है. इज एनीबॉडी हैज गॉट दिस आंसर? 4.88. आया क्या आंसर किसी का?
हाँ सर 4.88 आता है
पता है ना?
यस सर
But it is minus or plus?
प्लस
Plus आ रहा है. Just check once.
यस सर प्लस आ रहा है
Okay. Others, can you respond for this? बाकी लोगों का आंसर क्या आ रहा है? Anybody? Are you expecting me to solve this? करो अपन सॉल्व करो काय अडचण नाही बिकॉज एट द एंड यू नीड टू राइट द फाइनल आंसर. सॉल्व करायचं प्रोसिजर कळालंय का? सिंपल आहे. इट इज लाइक जस्ट अ सिंप्लिफिकेशन. यस हु हैज टोल्ड मी दीज आंसर्स? ये 9 और कौन कौन बताया मुझे आंसर? हु टोल्ड दिस 0.12?
A8
A8. ओके और 4.50 कौन बताए?
A32.
A32. Okay, can you just verify that? Are you getting the answer as 4.88? What about others?
सर आई थिंक आप एक्सप्लेन करो एक बार
स्टेप वाइज चाहिए क्या? ओके नो प्रॉब्लम. विल मूव अहेड
हाँ
विद
सर वी विल वेरीफाई
नो प्रॉब्लम. तो अभी इसको क्या करेंगे हम? आप ओके सो हियर let me go with this part only. यहाँ पे चलते हैं. ओके Right. So here I will just solve it like this. So h of z equals to h of z is equals to, so this first term we will just solve it first. So what it is it is like 2 into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse square. So what I can write it is, I can write it as 4 into 1 minus z inverse square divided by 1 plus z inverse square. ठीक है? Then plus 4.525 divided by, so this is also same, again it is like 4 into 1 minus z inverse square divided by 1 plus z inverse square plus, what we have it is, can you tell me this value? 2 into 0.92, कैलसी है किसी के पास? Just tell me that. Just tell me the value of 2 into 0.692.
1.384.
It is 1.384 into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse, then plus 0.504 it is. ठीक है? Hope you understood this step. Any difficulty here?
No, sir.
Then I will move to the next part. The next is equals to, let me take the next step. Is equals to, what we can write? It is 4 into 1 minus z inverse square plus 4.525 into 1 plus z inverse square divided by what we will get it is 1 plus z inverse square, and this whole divided by, what we will write again, 4 into 1 minus z inverse square plus 1.384. What I can write here? 1 minus z inverse into 1 plus z inverse plus 0.504 into 1 plus z inverse square divided by, what we can write? 1 plus z inverse square. बराबर? Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next what we will do is, here this term will get cancelled with this term, right? Then we can further simplify this as, shall I remove this part? Hope everyone,
Yes, sir.
hope you are noting this. And further, I can simplify this as h of z equals to h of z is equals to four into this 1 minus z inverse. We will simplify that. What we will write? It is 1 minus z power minus 2 plus 2 z inverse plus,
So it is 1 plus z raised to minus 2 and
Okay.
minus 2 raised.
1 minus, okay, it is 1 plus z raised to minus 2, it is minus, okay. तो यहाँ पे माइनस आता है ये, this is minus, okay, then this is 4.525 into this, what we will write, 1 plus z raised to minus 2 plus 2z inverse, ठीक है, divided by, further we can write it as, this is again the same part, we will write it is 4 into 1 plus z power minus 2 minus 2z inverse plus 1.384, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं अभी, 1 minus z inverse 1 plus z inverse. So if I multiply these two, what I will write? So first is 1 plus z inverse minus z inverse, minus into plus again minus z power minus 2, then plus 0.504 into 1 plus z power minus 2 plus 2z inverse, बराबर, कुछ is there any difficulty here or any problem? इतना आया हुआ है
No,
लोग?
sir, it is correct.
यहाँ
Yes.
तक सेम आ गया सबका, okay, then further we can simplify it as again, this is equals to, I can write it is 4 into like 4 plus 4 z power minus 2 minus 8 z inverse, then plus 4.525 plus 4.525 z power minus 2 plus, so what is its multiplication? Can you tell me? 4.525 into 2. I think it is
9.05.
okay, 9.05 z power minus 1 divided by next is again, this is 4 plus 4 z power minus 2 minus 8 z inverse plus 1.384, this get cancels here, minus 1.384 z power minus 2, then again plus 0.504 plus 0.504 z power minus 2 plus, what is its multiplication? 0.504 into 2, 1 point, how much?
008.
1.008 into z power, कितना है, -1 है ना, -1. Now further we can simplify this as, this is equals to, now you just combined the terms which are same. So first we will add the constant terms. Constant अगर आप ऐड करेंगे तो कितना हो रहा है, Here 4 is there. 4 plus 4.525. What is the value we will get? 8 point. कितना आता value?
8.525.
8.525 into this is constant term. Then take Z inverse term coefficient const like separation. यहाँ पे so this value we will take this side this. So 9.05 minus 8. What we will get? Plus 1.05 Z inverse. Then we will add these terms now, like 4Z square and 4.25 Z power minus 2. What is the value again? It is? It's going to be plus 8.525 Z power minus 2 divided by again here also we just do the same thing, add the constant terms. यहाँ पे 4 एक constant है और ये constant है और ये constant है. कितना है वैल्यू उसका? 4 plus 1
5.888.
5.888 आ रहा है. Okay, so it is 5.888. Okay, the next Z इनवर्स के टर्म्स को ऐड करो अभी. तो यहां पे एक है और यहां पे एक है, तो कितना है वैल्यू? 7 पॉइंट कितना था वैल्यू?
Minus 6.99.
माइनस 6 पॉइंट ओके 992 ना, 992 Z इनवर्स. देन 6.992 Z इनवर्स. उसके बाद ए पावर्स को ऐड करो. Z पावर minus 2. You just add these values. कितना आता है देखो? 4.0 यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है ये? 4.504 माइनस 1.384 कितना आता वैल्यू देखो?
3.12. 3.12.
3.12, sir.
3.12 is the correct answer then. ठीक है. Then it is plus ना, plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus कैसा आएगा मैडम? So here okay, this is plus. Okay, plus 3.12 Z power minus 2, right? Or this can be written as simply, if you take the minus 2 as a common term, then simply we can write it as Z power minus 2. If you take a common, then h of Z equals to, we can write the answer as, in positive powers we can write the answer as h of Z equals to, अगर ये Z power minus 2 if you are taking the common, then we are writing it as simply 8.525 Z power minus 2 plus 1.05, sorry, it is plus only, Z power 2 plus 1.05 Z plus 8.525 divided by what we can write here? 5.888 Z square minus 7Z plus, we can write it as 3.12. So this is the final answer. How many of you have got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आलाय ना सगळ्यांना? ये 9.
Sir.
Who else again?
8.
A8. Okay.
821.
A21.
5. A19.
A19. What about others? Almost around 60 members are present.
A32.
A32.
A13.
A13.
6. A30.
A6. A30.
A5.
Okay, A5. Is others are facing any problem, any difficulty? फक्त सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करायचं होतं मला, बाकी काय नाही. चिप्रा मॅडमने मला पुरा करून सुद्धा दाखवायला सांगितलं आज. राईट. Good. It is like at least you can cross verify the answers. So actually this is plus 3.12. बराबर है ना? स्टेप्स कहीं पे मिस तो नहीं हो गए अंदर? Yes.
Nice, sir. It's
Okay.
correct.
Then it is the final answer like 3.12. ठीक है. Now, can I move to the next example?
Yes, sir.
We will go to the next example. ये थोड़ा different way का example है. So you just take one more example जो हमने impulse invariance method के लिए लिया था. Okay. What is that? I think can you go back to the second example? वो try करते हैं हम एक. Then I will move towards this example. Impulse invariance method में second example कौन सा लिया था मैंने? Second या third? That is 10 divided by एक था ना? क्या था वो? Can anyone tell me that question?
Third था, sir.
थर्ड वाला था क्या? क्या क्वेश्चन था वो? एच ऑफ एस इक्वल्स टू
10 upon s square plus 7s plus 10.
तो इसके लिए सॉल्व करेंगे हम अभी. एच ऑफ एस इक्वल्स टू 10 divided by हाँ स्क्वायर प्लस क्या था
7s
7s plus
10.
10. Can we convert this? You just complete that question. What is the question? Determine h of z. Determine h of z. Determine h of z for the given analog transfer function. Determine h of z for the given analog transfer function using bilinear transformation. Using bilinear transformation. Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
अगर आपको नेगेटिव पावर, if you are facing the difficulty, you can go with the positive powers. Positive powers के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या रहेगा आपका? What is the replacement? So here we have like relation as h of z equals to h of s. First, for s should be replaced by 2 by t into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse. Or this can also be done as s is replaced by 2 by t z minus 1 divided by z plus 1. ये भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं वहां पे. अगर आपको नेगेटिव पावर में कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है तो यू कैन यूज द पॉजिटिव पावर एंड यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई दैट. दैट इज आल्सो अनदर वे. Just do it. Let's see. So I am just calling the today's absent numbers. I have noted the numbers. So today absent number are roll number 23. Are you there? 23 is there? 25, 25, 27, 27.
Yes, sir.
At what time you are joined, madam?
सर पाऊस होता त्याच्यामुळे इथे रेंज प्रॉब्लेम आहे. तर ते लेट झाला. परत फोन पण हँग पडला होता.
नाही ना मॅडम, किती वाजता जॉईन झाले तुम्ही? आय थिंक यू आर जॉईन्ड एट 10th.
सर 9:45 जॉईन झाली सर.
नाही ना मॅडम, नाव आय एम लाईक आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द अटेंडेंस एनी टाइम. सो जो वहां पे प्रेजेंट लगेगा, सो यू नो द पॉलिसीज, राइट? सो ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइक इफ यू आर प्रॉपर रीजन, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू जॉइन द लेक्चर इन टाइम, पुट द मेसेज. टेक्स्ट मेसेज करू शकता तुम्ही नेटवर्क इश्यू असेल तर.
ओके सर, नेक्स्ट टाइम पासून करेन.
Right, because when I have taken the attendance, you are not there. So, and one more thing, what I am observing is sending the link on mail. I think we are doing that mistake again. क्योंकि लोगों को आप कभी भी ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं और कभी भी like you are logging off. 38 is there? Roll number 38. 48, 48, 57, 57.
येस सर.
किती वाजता जॉईन झालाय साहेब तुम्ही?
10:05.
हा?
10 वाजून 5 मिनिटांनी झालं जॉईन.
मग किती वाजता लेक्चर चालू होतं आपलं?
9:30.
मग काय प्रॉब्लेम होता? प्रॉब्लेम काय होतं सांगा मला.
बॅटरी चार्ज करत होतो मोबाईलची.
मग कळालं का तुम्हाला आता आज काय शिकवलंय मी?
लास्ट पॉईंट.
काय शिकवलंय जरा सांगा बरं. कॅन यू टेल मी व्हॉट वी आर डिस्कस टुडे? So simply for the sake of attendance, if you are joining at the end of the session, so at like 10:15, 10:20, and what is the use of that part? And lakshat gya, this will be like, you don't expect this time there will be again regular classes are going to be conducted. नहीं हो सकता है based on the situation. So ऑनलाइन के लिए हमें सीखना है और आपको एग्जाम भी इसी तरह के देना है अभी. So be serious on that part. Roll number 60 is there? 60. Then 63, 63 and 65.
येस सर.
हा, तुम्ही किती वाजता जॉईन झालाय?
9:30 जॉईन झालं सर. फक्त मध्ये कॉल आला तेव्हा 10 मिनिट.
हा, मग 10 मिनिट कॉलवर होता का तुम्ही?
सरांचा कॉल म्हणजे सरांसोबत बोलत होतो कस्तुरी सर.
मग सोडून द्यायचं ना, लेक्चर सोडून द्यायचं. त्यांना सांगता येत नाही का लेक्चर चालू आहे म्हणून?
जरा इम्पॉर्टंट.
It is not 10 minutes, boss. So I have taken attendance around 10, almost half an hour late.
नाही, मी 9:40 परत जॉईन झालो सर.
No, I don't know. So be serious. नाहीतर काय फायदाच नाही त्याचा तुमचा असं केलं तर. Yes, have you solved the example? Today's absentees are roll number 23, 25, 32 is present. Okay. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 40 is absent. 41, 40, 45. कुठे गेले आता रोहित कुमार? 45. Roll number 45. $48. 53 is not there. 55. 60, 62, 63, 64. And please follow the same pattern while logging in, such that it is very easy to identify all the things. A3.
येस सर.
किती वाजता जॉईन झाले मॅडम तुम्ही?
सर मला रेंज प्रॉब्लेम आहे सर. आता दुसऱ्या कार्डवरून जॉईन झाले सर मी.
हा, रोज असंच होत आहे का? आजच झालंय?
नाही, कधी कधी होतं सर. पप्पांचा फोन असतो तर त्यांच्या ह्याच्यानं जॉईन होते मी. माझ्या कार्डला प्रॉब्लेम.
ठीक है. Yes, have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
क्या आंसर आया?
5z square.
Okay, just a minute. Let me write. So I'm just writing the final answer. H of z is equals to 5z square.
Plus 10z
Plus 10z
plus 5
plus 5.
upon 14z square
14z square
plus 6z.
plus 6z.
That's it, sir.
Okay. How many of you have got this answer?
येस सर.
नंबर बताओ, नंबर बताओ. जब लोगों को पता चलने दो ना कौन कर रहा है कौन नहीं कर रहा है बोल के. A9, A9, A8.
A6.
बाकीच्यांना जरा लास्ट तरी वाटू दे त्यांना काय करणार गेलाय म्हणून. A5.
A12.
A12,
A13.
A21, A13, A13 ना?
A34.
34. Okay. A34, A42. बघा, हार्डली 10 लोक आहेत.
18 सर.
A18. Okay,
A32.
A6, A32. Okay. बाकी?
72 sir. A7. 72.
A72. Okay. बाकींचं काय हालत? Okay, can I stop it here? We'll stop it here. Further, we will take one different way of example is there. So that we will discuss tomorrow again. Let me repeat once again. The absent numbers are 23, 25, 38, 40, 45, 48, 52, 53, 55, 37, 60, 62, 63. कोई है क्या इनमें से प्रेजेंट? Okay, thank you.
हॅलो सर.
हा बोला की.
हॅलो सर.
बोला बोला मॅडम.
सर तुम्ही ते 5th चॅप्टरचे पण स्टडी मटेरियलमध्ये व्हिडिओ करा की. आता काय काय वेळेस रेंज प्रॉब्लेममुळे वगैरे झाले ते मग स्टडी करताना.
हा कशाबद्दल?
5th चॅप्टरचे ते स्टडी मटेरियलमध्ये सर तुम्ही अगोदरचे लेक्चरचे व्हिडिओ केलेत का?
केलंय की.
5th चॅप्टरचे पण करा की म्हटलं.
5th चॅप्टरचं राहिलंय थोडं. हा करतो की मी अपडेट करतो ते.
हां सर एक म्हणजे काय काय स्टडी करताना वगैरे नंतर ऐकायला वगैरे त्यावेळेस म्हणून.
हो हो करतो मॅडम करतो मी.
हां सर थँक्यू.
ओके ओके.